guys, today I'm going to show how to fix OTG not working in Android mobile. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Usually these occur due to the OTG not enabled in mobile settings, or unsupported device, or faulty OTG cable or adapter, or insufficient power to the drive, or outdated software. So first method is to restart your mobile. It helps to avoid the temporary issues. So our second step is to enable developer option and change USB configuration. First of all, you need to search for developer option. If in case you don't have the developer option, you need to enter into your system settings following about phone and scroll down, and you may see the OS version. Please tap the OS version at least 7 times to enable the developer option. In our case it's already enabled, so it shows no need to enable, it's already enabled. So once it's done, please scroll down and just check the additional settings, the developer option is enabled or not. It's obviously enabled once you tap the OS version for 7 times. Once it's done, please scroll down the developer option, and it shows the USB configuration at the networking category. Default USB configuration. You need to select file transfer to automatically choose while you are connecting your OTG cable with your mobile phone. Then close the settings, and our third step is to enable the OTG connection. In some mobiles they have a separate connection called OTG connection. Check whether you had the OTG connection option. If in case you had, in the sense, you need to enable that too. If you don't have these settings, it's not an issue. Most of the mobiles don't have the OTG connection option, so skip this step. And our fourth step is to update your system. It's nothing but you need to update your mobile OS. So if in case you had any update which is shown on your mobile, you can directly enter into your settings and you can update the Android OS using by clicking downloads, and you can download, and later once it downloaded, it automatically restarts. And once restarted, please check whether the issue is solved or not. Mostly the issue will be solved. If not, follow our next step, and our next step is to clear cache in the file manager or Google manager or files, Google files. If you are using Google manager, in the sense, you can go to Google manager, or file, you can using file, in the sense, you are go and clear the cache in the Google files. Just long press and enter into the app info and clear cache data on the file manager or file, either what you are using, you can clear the cache on those things. So once it's done, please restart your system, and I hope the video is useful for you. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.